All right, this should go on the bottom of your page, but I messed up and didn't leave enough space, so I'm going to put it on a new page. You can do this however you want, but I'm just going to fold it here and glue it down real quick so you can follow along in the little booklet, if my glue would work. Okay. All right, so we're going to work with a really long, involved problem. -1 times the absolute value of 2 minus 5 plus 4 squared minus 10 divided by 5, all divided by 2. All right, that's a big problem right there. So, order of operations. The first thing is the P, which stands for parentheses, or all grouping symbols. All right, so I'm going to open this up so we can do that step. All right, so the first thing that we have in our thing, we don't actually have parentheses, but we have absolute value, which is a grouping symbol. So we're going to do that first. So 2 minus 5 is -3. Put the absolute value bars back, and we're going to rewrite the entire problem around it. The only thing that changed was 2 minus 5 became -3. Okay? Now, the absolute value bars do have a job, and their job is to turn whatever's inside positive. So, really, you're going to do -1 times +3, because the absolute value of -3 is 3. Plus 4 squared minus 10 divided by 5 all over 2. And we know that -1 times 3, oh no, we're not there yet. What am I doing? Okay, so that's parentheses. Okay, we have no more parentheses with math in them, just this 3 right here. So that we're going to go to the next step, which is exponents. All right, remember exponents are those little numbers up top, so we have an exponent piece right there. So to simplify that, I'm just going to move this out of the way. We have -1 times 3 plus 4 squared, which is 16, minus 10 divided by 5 all over 2. Are there any more exponents? No. So we're done with the exponents tab. Next, we have multiplication, or division. Left to right. All right, so let's look through our problem. First things first, we have some multiplication right here, and we have some division over here. But multiplication comes first according to the order of operations. So we're going to do -1 times 3, which is -3, and rewrite the rest of the problem around it. Still looking for multiplication and division. We have a little set right there. So that's the next step. -3 plus 16 minus 2 over 2. Yes, we have this division right here, but that doesn't count until it's the only operation left. So now we're down to addition and subtraction. Left to right. So we're going to add -3 plus 16, 13, and right around it. We're going to do 13 minus 2, which is 11, divided by 2. And you can either leave your answer like this, because this is an improper fraction in simplest form, or you can actually divide it. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Both of those answers are correct. All right, I'm going to go stop this video now, and we'll do another one that goes through a couple more examples.